iron, iron. I am ironing my dress. I am ironing my dress. Hairbrush, hairbrush. The hairbrushes are on the dressing table. The hairbrushes are on the dressing table. Mop, mop. Our housekeeper is mopping our room. Our housekeeper is mopping our room. Tell her that don't forget to mop under the sofa. Tell her that don't forget to mop under the sofa. Sink, sink. The sink drain is blocked again in the kitchen. The sink drain is blocked again in the kitchen. They are washing the dishes in the sink. They are washing the dishes in the sink. Carpet, carpet. We sat on carpet in the afternoon yesterday. We sat on carpet in the afternoon yesterday. Doorbell, doorbell. The doorbell rang, but I didn't hear the doorbell. The doorbell rang, but I didn't hear the doorbell. Broom, broom. Do you know where the broom is? Do you know where the broom is? The broom is under the dressing table. The broom is under the dressing table. Tissue, tissue. Blow your nose with a tissue. Blow your nose with a tissue. Trash bag, trash bag. Please tightly tie up the trash bag. Please tightly tie up the trash bag. Knife, knife. Be careful, the knife is sharp in the kitchen. Be careful, the knife is sharp in the kitchen. Lock, lock. Make sure you lock the doors and windows. Make sure you lock the doors and windows. Shampoo, shampoo. Wash your hair with shampoo. Wash your hair with shampoo. Washing machine, washing machine. Please put my dirty clothes in the washing machine. Please put my dirty clothes in the washing machine. Loofah. Loofah. The loafers are hanging in the bathroom. The loafers are hanging in the bathroom. Toothpaste and toothbrush. Toothpaste and toothbrush. The toothpaste and toothbrushes are in the bathroom. The toothpaste and toothbrushes are in the bathroom. Faucet or tap. Faucet or tap. After using, I close the faucet tightly. After using, I close the tap tightly. Window. Window. Please open the window to get some fresh air. Please open the window to get some fresh air. Doormat. Doormat. The doormat is in front of the main door. The doormat is in front of the main door. Wipe your feet on the doormat. Wipe your feet on the doormat. Clean. Clean. Let's clean the room, it looks dusty. Let's clean the room, it looks dusty. Ladder. Ladder. The ladder is on the balcony. The ladder is on the balcony. Hanger. Hanger. Take a clothes hanger from the closet and hang your coat on the hanger. Take a clothes hanger from the closet and hang your coat on the hanger. Plumber. Plumber. The waterline isn't working, we need a plumber. The waterline isn't working, we need a plumber. Table. Table. She is putting the plates on the table. She is putting the plates on the table. Toothpaste. Toothpaste. Put toothpaste on your brush. Put toothpaste on your brush. Bathroom. Bathroom. I was in the bathroom when she came. I was in the bathroom when she came. Trash can. Trash can. The trash can is by the refrigerator in the kitchen. The trash can is by the refrigerator in the kitchen. Wake up. Wake up. The breakfast was ready when I woke up at 8:36 today. The breakfast was ready when I woke up at 8:36 today. Slippers. Slippers. My slippers are old. I need a new pair. My slippers are old. I need a new pair. Blanket. Blanket. Yesterday, I slept covered by the new blanket that was very soft and comfortable. Yesterday, I slept covered by the new blanket that was very soft and comfortable. Stove. Stove. I forgot to turn off the stove after cooking. I forgot to turn off the stove after cooking. Shelf. Shelf. I put my books on the shelf. I put my books on the shelf. Couch. Couch. I'm watching the TV lying on the couch. I'm watching the TV lying on the couch. Pillow. Pillow. I slept with the keys under my pillow yesterday. I slept with the keys under my pillow yesterday. The pillow is very soft and comfortable. The pillow is very soft and comfortable. Phone charger. Phone charger. My phone battery is low. Where is the phone charger? My phone battery is low. Where is the phone charger? Fan. Fan. She turned on the fan after entering the room. She turned on the fan after entering the room. Picture frame. Picture frame. The glass is broken in the picture frame. The glass is broken in the picture frame. Bed. Bed. Your bed is next to the window of balcony. Your bed is next to the window of balcony. This bed is too small for the two of us. This bed is too small for the two of us. Curtains. Curtains. I drew the curtains closed in the room. I drew the curtains closed in the room. Mirror. Mirror. She uses a mirror to put on her makeup. She uses a mirror to put on her makeup. Toilet. Toilet. Someone is in the toilet. Someone is in the toilet. Plate. Plate. I ate a huge plate of pasta on the birthday. I ate a huge plate of pasta on the birthday. There is food left on your plate. There is food left on your plate. Clock. Clock. The clock stopped working. It needs a new battery. The clock stopped working. It needs a new battery. Remote. Remote. Have you seen where I put the TV remote? Have you seen where I put the TV remote? Have you found the TV remote? Have you found the TV remote? Rug. Rug. Don't step on the rug with muddy shoes. Don't step on the rug with muddy shoes. Refrigerator. Refrigerator. I put the fishes in the refrigerator. I put the fishes in the refrigerator.